So, you all have been there in the situation when you are ready for the interview, you have prepared for the interview, but when you are in front of the interviewer, when the interviewer asks you a question, you go just blank. Your nervousness hijack your brain and you have no answer. You don't remember what you have prepared for it. Has it happened to you? Right? It's very normal. First of all, change the perspective that you're nervous. No, you're not nervous. Think you are excited. Because when you are excited, then also you have that energy inside you which makes you feel restless, right? So don't think that you're nervous. That restlessness inside you is because you are excited, first of all. In general, I would say why we get nervous based on 3 points. We'll talk about each and every point, and I believe that you will have a different perspective that why you get nervous at the first place. Okay. So the first point is you are afraid of the unknown. Don't worry about the outcome. Be present in the moment. Don't worry about the outcome. Just do what is done, what needs to be done right now. Don't think about anything else. Just be present. That will help you a lot. Coming to the second point, you lack confidence. Now, why you lack confidence? Let me ask you one question. You're going for an interview, right? Not for an interrogation by a CBI officer. You're not a criminal. You have not done any crime, right? You are just a normal person who is going for a normal job, and there is another normal person who is going to take an interview. That is very normal. So, why we have to be scared of it, first of all? Why we have to be scared of that interview? You are just telling about yourself, you are telling what you do, anything, whatever you are talking about, but it is just a normal conversation. Don't take it more than that. Other than that, to build up your confidence, do one thing. Don't take the interviews like an interview. So, what I mean by that is, don't think that you're going for an interview for a job or something. Always think like if you're going for an interview for a magazine, maybe you are a guest speaker at the podcast. Think like these situation, because just think of these situation. If you'll go for an interview in these particular situation, will you be excited or nervous? I think you will be excited more than nervous. You will be excited, like, yes, I'm going for an interview for the magazine. I'm going for the interview on that podcast as a guest speaker, right? You will be more excited than being nervous. You're going to talk about the same things which you're going to talk about in an interview. You're talking about yourself there also and there also. But why you feel nervous at one place and you feel not excited at the other place? It's all about the perspective which you have in your mind. So it's not about the interview, about the interviewer or the questions. It's just your mind just playing around with you. And that is the reason you feel that you're very nervous. So just enjoy it instead of being nervous, feel excited. Think of a different situation and just go for the interview. You will have a different level of confidence. Talking about the third thing is that you doubt in your preparation. Okay, you always think that whenever you're going for an interview, that your preparation is not enough, maybe. Maybe the interviewer will ask some question which you have not even prepared. What will happen that point of time? Just tell me one thing. If your preparation is not enough, can you do something right now in front of the interviewer? Can you do it? No. Again, only worry about the thing which you can control. Now, this is out of your control. Now it is already happening. So just be in the moment. Don't think, don't think that your preparation is not enough. Believe in yourself, believe in the preparation you have done, and just go for it. When you go for the interview with the belief that whatever you are capable of doing, you have already done. Now it's just I have to present it. That's it. And that will be reflected in your speech when you will speak. So don't be nervous, be excited. Change your perspective. Don't let your mind play with you. Think what you want to think and don't get hijacked by the mind. Your mind should always work for you, not against you, right? Always keep that in mind that you always change the negative from to the positive. Always think that you are excited, not nervous. It will give you more confidence when you're speaking to anybody, no matter where you are. I hope this helped you to, and if you liked it, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I am very, very, very dedicated to make you as much as confident as possible. I'll give you whatever I think I do has helped me to achieve a level of confidence in my life. I would love you guys to have that confidence in you, because you are not less than anyone. You are just the best you can be. So you just need that confidence to believe that you are enough. And I will be there to help you out throughout the journey. And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.